I guess here in this problem, we are given two identical circles. Identical circle means the radii are same, right? So that their centers, points at which they intersect, form a square of side 1 centimeter. The area in square centimeters of the portion that is common to the two circles is, what is that area? Now, the diagram I have drawn, but this is the question that is given, right? The diagram is not given. So in this kind of questions, we should first draw the diagram to make it for us to make it clear for us. Right here, two identical circles are given. That means two circles of same radii, right? And then they are meeting, and then they are meeting. They will meet at 2 points, right? Two circles, they will meet at 2 points, not more than two, right? This and this, A and C are the meeting points. Now they are saying, he's saying that they form a square, the center of these 2 points. That means A, B, C, D, this is a square. The square is of 1 centimeter. So what does that mean? The radius of both the circles is also 1 centimeters, right? And this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, this angle is 90 degrees, and this angle is 90 degrees. All four are 90 degrees. So we have drawn this diagram. Now what is this shaded area? Right? What is this shaded area? Now to find out what is the shaded area, there's no direct formula. Instead, we should try to find some way how we can find this shaded area. Right? Let's look at this. Let's look at the structure. Right. Now, this there is a triangle here, right? There is a triangle and there is an arc. The full thing is the arc, and there is a triangle here, right? And this shaded region is arc or sector. There is a sector here, sector minus triangle, right? Sector minus triangle is this part, that is this part. Similarly, this sector minus this triangle is this part, right? We have to find out sector minus triangle and multiply by 2 to get the total area of this region. What is the area of the sector? We know this is 90 degrees. That means 1/4 of the circle area is this sector, right? 1 by 4 into pi r square. What is r? R is 1. 1 by 4 pi, right? 90 degrees by 360 degrees. 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 pi is actually the area of the sector. That is 1 by 4 pi. 1 by 4 pi. Now, what is the area of the triangle? This is anyway 90 degrees. Anyway 90 degrees. Then we can take this as base, this as height. Both are so. Half into base into height, 1 into 1. Half into 1 into 1, right? Half into 1 into 1. This is again half. Area of triangle is half. So what we want? Pi by 4 minus half. Right. Pi by 4 minus half, which which is one part of it. Now we want two parts. So 2 into pi by 4 minus half, that is equal to pi by 2 minus 1. Right. That is the area. Pi by 2 minus 1. See, that's a very simple problem. Just that we need to visualize what is given properly. Right. And derive that this is a square and there is a right angle. And then the only tricky part is here is the area of the shaded region is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Right. Two times of that. Right. Area of the sector we can always calculate, which is pi r square by and whatever is the angle. This is 90 degrees and then area of the triangle. Here this is also very easy because this is a isosceles right angle triangle with radius 1. Hope you understood this. Thank you guys.